Hello, everyone. Just wanted to take a minute to stop in and let everybody know on my YouTube page, those who subscribe to my YouTube page. First of all, thank you. That's awesome. I appreciate all your wonderful comments, all your constructive criticism on the videos that we post, whether it's Ben and Travis or TNT or whatever other group that I'm associated with posting videos, Riverside Football. But I just want to make sure that all of my YouTube subscribers and really social media in general know of the new Ben and Travis podcast known as BATify, where myself, my wonderful wife Whitney, and my cousin Ben Hayes will be interviewing different people. The first few episodes have been us telling our story from my leukemia diagnosis to our foster care journey. Our next podcast, we'll interview Ben about some things in his life where God has shown up. And that's really the whole point of the podcast, is to talk about where we've seen God throughout our lives, whether it's times of struggle or times of celebration. And we just want to encourage those that may be seeking the Lord or already know the Lord, that none of us have it all together and that we've all got things that we're dealing with and the Lord is working through us. So you can find our podcast on Apple Podcast, on Spotify, and really any major podcast app or device. So feel free to look us up. It's BATify, BATify. And of course, we're broadcasting on the Anchor app. I hope you have a tremendous evening. If you have any questions that you'd like for us to ask future guests, please feel free to shoot those to us. Either comment here on this video or you can email me at traviswcreasy@msn.com. Yes, msn.com. And we'll get those questions asked, or hit us up on Facebook at facebook.com/Ben and Travis. We also have a Twitter, twitter.com/Ben and Travis, BENANDTRAVIS. Have a tremendous evening. Good night.